Now, if you want to find the answer to this question, then carry on watching this video, because I'm going to show you how to make money when you don't have any money to get started. So what are you going to need? You're going to need the following things so that you can make money online for free. First, you're going to need a product that makes you money. The next thing that you need is to get eyes on the product. We call this traffic. The next thing is you're going to need about 15 minutes or more a day. Now, you can either do 1 day a week, 2 days a week, 3 days a week, or 7 days a week. That's entirely up to you. Obviously, the more time that you put in, the more money you're going to earn. It's as simple as that. If you're not willing to take any action and do nothing, then stop watching this video now. Because if you're not willing to take action, you will simply not make a penny if you do nothing. So if you're ready, let me show you now how to make money when you have no money to get started with. So first off, we're going to need to get you set up with a product. So below this video, you're going to find a link. Click that link. It's going to take you over to this page. You need to fill out this form. The first thing you're going to need to do is to put in a username, put in an email address. This must be an email address that you open, because we're going to send you a link to that email address for you to click. Create yourself a password. Repeat that password to make sure you've not made any mistakes. Your password needs to be a minimum of 8 characters. Have 1 capital letter and 1 special character. A special character would be an @ sign or a star sign, an open bracket, a closed bracket, something like that. You're then going to choose the country that you reside in. When you choose the country that you live in, we'll automatically put the dial code in, and then all you need to do there is to put your mobile number in there. And then we're going to come down to this section here that says, by registering, I agree to the terms of service and the privacy policy. Once you've read those, you just click in there. That will turn that button to blue. And then all you need to do is to put a tick in that box there to prove that you're not a robot, and then click register. Pause the video now and fill out that form. Take action, fill out this form, because the next step I'm going to show you is how to make money with this product and how to get traffic to this product so that you can start making money. Once you've created your account, it's going to bring you into a page just like this one. Now, what I'd like to do is to draw your eyes to this. It says subscription level free. We're only going to be talking about the free subscription level, meaning you don't have to pay a penny. And this person here, this account here that I've got to show you, is a free member. You can see that that says free. So let's have a look at how much they've earned. So if we come up to the top here, next to where it says EasyBot, there's 2 lines. And we're going to go down to My Wallet. So at the moment, they've got a balance of $4.03. So if you look here, it says commission generated from level 1, and they earned $1.23. You see it says here affiliate commission generated for level 1, $60. Here, another commission from level 1, $2.75. Here, they've actually made a withdrawal of $132. They put $132 in their pocket for free. They didn't have to spend a penny to get that money. So how did they actually earn this money without spending any money? Well, to understand that, we need to come back up to the dashboard here. And then what we're going to do is we're going to click on this button that says Affiliate Center. Now, from the Affiliate Center, we're going to be using later on in the video my referral link. But first off, I want to take you over to this person's organization. It says My Organization. So you can see that this member, the free member, has got a total of people that it's brought into the business, 77. And out of those 77 people, there's $127.22 that's been made. And that's been made from these first 2 levels, level 1 and level 2. So this particular person has brought 66 people into the business by promoting their affiliate link. And I'm going to show you how to do that for free in a moment. And those 66 people also went out and brought 10 people in using their affiliate link, and that's how this person is making commission. And when somebody joins EasyBot, they can set up trading robots, and it's those trading robots that will earn you a commission. Also, when somebody joins for free, if they wish to make more trading bots, because with a free account you can set up 2 crypto trading bots for free, but if you want to set up more trading robots, you need to pay for a package. And when that person pays for that subscription, then you can earn a commission. Whether you're a free member or a paid member, it doesn't matter. And if you remember when we looked in this person's wallet, they'd earn $60 from somebody buying a package. They'd earn another $60 from somebody else buying a package. And these small amounts here that they've earned is been from people using trading robots. Because every time their robot trades and makes a profitable trade, you earn a commission. How fantastic is that? So hopefully by now you've created your free account, and we can now show you how to promote that free account for free and how to get traffic to your business so that you can start making money literally within the next 24 hours. Now, if we come back over to the dashboard, what we need to do is to set up some material that you can promote. And it's so easy to do. So we're going to be using this free app here. It doesn't matter whether you're using it on a mobile or on a laptop or a computer. You just click on this button where it says click here. What that does, it opens up this in a new tab. But first off, we want to come back over to EasyBot and we're going to go down to the Affiliate Center. And do you remember I said we're going to be using my referral link? So all we need to do is to click on that. And that's going to copy your referral link. And then you need to take that to a notepad, pop that into a notepad, and that's actually a website address. Now, what we need is this number on the end. So we're going to copy that number and we're going to come back over to this marketing system here. Now, if you look at the top here, it says pages. So what we want to do is set up the pages. So we click on pages. That will bring us to this page. And all we need to do is to click on setup. And you're going to paste that number that you got from your document. This person's already got their number in. You're going to pop that number inside there and you're going to click on update. Yours might say save, but this button says click update because they've already got theirs. Once you've done that, there's a ton of pages here that we can share on the internet. We can either put that into Twitter, into Facebook, or we can use some sites where we can get some free traffic. And I'm going to show you that in a moment. And to share those, all you need to do is to click on the button that says share. That opens up the page in a new tab. And all you need to do is to copy this URL at the top there. So I'm going to copy that and take that to my notepad. Keep that in your notepad. And you can promote either one of these links. I'm going to be showing you how to promote this big link. Now, this first link that we got, the affiliate link, that will take somebody to the registration page, the very page that you registered with. But we don't want to send people directly to that page unless you can make videos like the one I'm making. And of course, you can use my video. You can download my video and you can use my video to promote as well. But we're going to be using this link here. And we're going to use that link and promote on social media platforms that you can do for free. If you've got a Facebook account, you can post that on your Facebook. If you're in Twitter, Instagram, any of one of those sites, you can advertise that page on those websites for free. But some people don't like to put it on their personal profiles. But that's okay, because I'm going to show you where to get some free traffic, which means eyes on your business. Your sole job is to send people to look at this page or any of the other pages that you may choose inside the system. So let's have a look at how we can promote our link using some free traffic. Now, below this video, you're going to find a link that's going to take you to this free advertising. I've put together here 14 free advertising sites. I could fill this document up with hundreds because there's so many places that you can advertise for free. So as you can see, we've got Craigslist, we've got classified ads, we've got all of the sites here. Now, these are the sites that I used when I was getting started in the business and I had no money. I started up advertising on these sites. So let's just choose one. I'm going to go down to number 12 here, which is Linktr. When you click that link, it's going to take you over to here where you can create an account. I'm already logged into my account, but you'll see a button at the top here that says register. You register on here. And once you've verified your account, you're going to put in your name, your email address, that type of thing. They're going to send you a link that you need to click to verify your account. So make sure you use an email address that you open, okay? And then inside, once you log in, you're going to be presented with this page. It says you don't have any links to display. Click the button above to add a link. So we're going to click on this button here that says add new link. Now what we're going to do is get that big long link that we saved in our document and paste that in there. Now that automatically by default, when I click in this box, it picks up the text from that page that we're promoting and it says crypto secret revealed. And I'm just going to say how to make money for free. And that's all I need to do. Now I can either switch the link off or switch it on. You see I've got my link there and it will show me my stats, and at the moment I've got 0 clicks. So coming back to the document, you can choose any one of these or choose all of them and start creating free accounts. And if you want me to make videos on any of these to show you how to make free advertising, then let me know in the comments below. And that's how easy it is to promote a business for free when you want to make money online.